So what's up, guys? So today we're going to be going to my painting tour of all the drawings I did in my art class. So let's get into it. Okay, so this was like one of the first butterflies I ever drew. So for what this I did for the colors, I touched my hand on what I was gonna do. Like I touched this part, and I'm gonna pick a color out with my eyes closed and I colored that in. So this was just kind of like a fun butterfly drawing. Picking out the okay, this what I wandered out like a very beautiful land out the river, the marshmallow with two frogs. One's a boy and one's a girl. I got this in a Google image. I thought it would kind of be fun, and my art schools will be getting up if I do it. This is my first monster doodle. If you don't know what a monster doodle is there's like just tons of monsters with different rarities and different types of things, and a place they are with cool things on it. So the cool things I have is these little buildings and these little trees. Next up I gotta say one of my first canvas paintings ever, The Genie. 2019, a movie was coming up. It was called The Genie from Adlin. I thought I would just kind of like make a little thing out of it, you know? Okay, so this is Robbins from Teen Titans Go. My first drawing of him ever. Yeah, I thought it would kind of be fun to draw him. Okay, so this is actually a Mother's Day card. This is Mario. You are the best mom, I love you. I hurt you. So that's what it is. Yeah, I kind of Googled Mario up. Yeah. So this girl right here, they're like in Indian fashion. They put like makeup on there and they just go out to dance. This basically, yeah. Okay, so this is like basically an Indian color scheme. My art teacher thought everybody would do it, so it'd be kind of fun. So yeah. Okay, so this, I kind of worked on my blending here. I was kind of told to be working on my blending a little bit, so I did like a little blending picture with all the blends and the thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is a volcano behind him. That was like one of the dinosaurs. I thought I would just do like, volcano, dinosaur. What do they have in common? They died to a dinosaur, so yeah. So I thought I would do that. So this was on 2019, December, not December, October 29th. We all know Halloween is on October 31st, the last day of October. So I thought, in honor of Halloween, I'd just make a witch picture. So I did. Okay. So in class, in school, we were learning about a type of building called like a red bush, yeah. So a red bush is basically, it's kind of like an apartment, two buildings clashed together. This type of house. So in art class, we were told to do a red bush drawing of a house like this. So this is what I drew. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for our other videos and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.